Yeah, Ghana for to my YouTube for fans in me a video no acquired them kakra. And there ye Babeka about strong man and a fencing medical. Now some I became to be out to meet them again. But you per se you no the best rapper because Ghana for same way na the atom but it with difference I be more amount here and as I be fear more common it will more difference to me per se me break it down any more must subscribe me no mo beti ase ti mo must subscribe me no me da mo ase na mo must subscribe me no I'm not here. They make it makes sense to you. But you subscribe me. You can't strong man any medical beef. One. Let's start in the strong man first. Let's start in the strong man first. Yeah. The issue is light be also hot, you know, damn mama so. Strong man. Let's start with strong man so. You may breaky beef, you know. Now one can watch say wine any winning beef. You know. First, you can't strong man. Ghana got talent. And no call you, and no winning you. When you component flow, you can't bars, you can't voice, you can't answer someone. Then I be this a strong man, our voice, our rap, out to me can't. In some of them say yes, boy, we know what now I fear. In some of to me can. You move a honor, we cannot think about it. But we tear almost say yes, boy no, ampa, or boy no mampa, or words, any day no credit, ya giatum. But since the time or G way, you know, if you can sack sign, or sack or the own on sign any public brain, but sack or the jail because when you say boy with any voice, you know, is powerful and even stronger than one can idea. It is say only boy any be kind of beef in this situation, it will be tougher for no sacrifice. You sign fine. And go ye. We release in the strong man I hear other musics, but when ya hit the winner. When ya kakebi kampona only come UGAB. And Stone Boy any artist you are signing in any kakra, but it's nothing. Because a strong man anywhere away in the only time we win popularity and any music, the popularity see upon is because of medical. How? Now the women call medical so first. Second. Medical is not the best rapper. But just take payday. Would see medical at payday. Medical and payday almost the same place. But medical could me start to rap or rap slow. Or we are not the aggressive at their two. We will page up voice in high. But medical, yes sir, at their GD. One for the best rapper and I said the best words. Our fan could do be our corner. But entertaining any same be our can. All the music in now nam Ghana boa autonomy if you want medical or the agidi. You see music either say we choose to say the person rap say T flow who person hear the best rap all rap stick to that. But one thing is you can't records of rap for the best rapper. But when we saw Bradford rap bio, say see or rap before. No, or the entertaining now because what you say music is dynamic. So and when is sound now also was sound. Now say music is sound. On to me kofa ne back way old music no rap to make it cancer and fun to rap no music here. Now I know it's commercial. Medical are commercial. Medical are music Ghana woko club are to me abon na odi asa. How many music are to me akọ club are bo strong man any married besa. Okay. Rap here. It be ma strong man. Onim rap mu. But beef ni mu no to two words be between both of them. Strong man can be. Or see, subscribe your music money from your fraud money. Let us say medical unisika. But that is one thing I Ghana for see why no, that is wrong. So I or two on a new way or other businesses. Or other businesses. Obi or one and also say medical ni mame akasa confirm say or new rapper or your footballer. Yes. Loro win or hono. So you movies are or new musician. But in music no money more fame. Upako YouTube or you more videos on music more than even the movies no. Or you more and more. Because of the stage, and you compromise you more. Lulu we be a school, other way teacher. Lulu we call Ghana electrical stuff be or boxes be or honor. Lulu we picture also other way electrician. It is a medical and you or a footballer and as you were branchy to become a rapper. That is fine. So your fraud boy. That's why we decided to make me fraud or not. Now maybe use me fraud money to invest in music to popular myself. A strategy. That is one thing you have to understand. Say a strategy no way use it. Their babe. Because we don't win as a winner win sika now they could be a boutique. You have what wash sika. They call it to wash the money. Because if you film their papa pay. So what I say, until that barn. At the end of the day, medical is winning. Medical is winning the beef between both of them. And to me, can say a strong man is winning that beef. Someone to say that will come to me. More can words there. No cranny made the Bema strong man, but more popularity are strong man own to me medical. That is straight. More rap no more for sika. More new rap no more for the best rap. Any get now feel na more rap na for to YouTube. Medical will move for sika. AMD business. Chris Wado anyuma him auto. But sika wonya no e musicians bebree. At the end of the day no dear Jay-Z or Rock Nation or other businesses, maybe more than 15 businesses. Sako is also fighting. At the end of the day, they're gonna for more can. You can't work and bars and bars are yes, strong man. But you can't about knowledge anywhere. Medical is winning. Now there was another lady Biba radio station or say strong man apologized to Fela McAfee. Say Fela McAfee, say Fela McAfee. I know his name is Fela McAfee, but I also get Okafun. You know, Fela McAfee. That's it. On apology for what? So we used to need Diana. That part need that Ghana apology no munjai. So apology say, oh, I am sorry for views. No. A year beef. Direct. So obeboni mami di obeboni papa di obeboni auntie di obebo you nuanimo whatever now. You are saying it any beef. You don't pick what to choose. So we need obi ko a wonka sɛ wobɛbɔ n'anim anaasɛ woyɛ funko a na mɛbɔ daabi ntɔkwa no si no sɛ wobɛka no sɛ wobɛbɔ n'aso mu o sɛ wobɛhɛdi no ne nyinaa ka ho a wode aka ho nti sɛ apology no deɛ good sɛ strong man crampon one apologize for that is one what you say that is one and second of all ɔse hate strong man can be sɛ medical mmaa mmienu na ama no hate yɛfrɛ no sɛ sister Debbie no mupa monkɔ back na monkɔ tie sister Debbie no nnwom sɛ ɔno ankasa sister Debbie na ankasa no nnwom a wɔto no wobɛka sɛ krazo mu ani panyin a wodi 30 years ɔwɔ krazo mu a ɛne to saa ne nnwom no nyinaa matie na me kompo de minima de konti akana for mo gye ne so but I don't blame you ne color ne nti mo gye ne so so you nipo yituntum a you can the moon film but the color ne nti judge na to musa because we tell the new ma just stupidness crampo not can or yeah stupidness and or yeah what I say but so we sika fan say sister Debbie akwakoye te say D Black because of almost canning they can promote themselves to come out anytime they want into the sister Debbie you fan so you D Black ya fan aka fela makafi da be no kotonyo and over to my medical hate medical is using them as an advertisement I just say why video music video now what follow when so actual music video anymore I'm not for sure maybe they might not like the song but they will just like the person that is acting that clip until they will start to follow the music no matter see until on medical it's a business AMG business strategy now we use that is one thing you have to understand a strategy and we use ordinary two amount for share ya it be more present for more share filaneto me boy fine or the ukɔhwɛ n'anim ɔyɛ kwampa ɔde yɛfrɛ ne sɛn shatter to mu na shatter den no ka wo mu enum na yɛ hit dada ɛyɛ remix no yɛ remix na kasa shatter bɛyɛ den wo mu shatter den no ka wo mu nothing but ɔsan use shatter ɛsan de yɛ business strategy ɛma manfo ɛkɔhwɛ yɛ strategy is strategy strong man betumi de ne pass but ne ukɔda can say radi mi da was say wama strong medical edin ho aba ma menya na dia gidi but say we strong ma wagidi pa wo Ghana wagidi because of medical one gidi because of your music ya te won ka de awa wote won ya te nin ka so bonum awa wote no but he have not hit but see ya no so awa na say wo pa wo medical strong ma fa wo ho bra or no so be fa wo so e dey hit until he is ready. Medical cannot go bar to bar with you. But business wise, we say a name na method dying, or Saka knew me say name na method dying. Ama me mami. Masa. Say no one better one and to me na me better ma mami. Music na we yan kasa unya sika fa to dan ma wo because it's not paying it is all you use company of the year fraud massa we are in for money we are not into rap for nothing and you can go to school because you are inside for rapping music no e bie kwan ma e betumi bie kwan ma wo de tu kwan akwa dochi who medic defense and strong man and until I would come approach I didn't tell who you can rap I didn't know one to Ghana but it may be a crime how do nice approach a beer crime mama no sakodi it is a medical and no be a crime money to me the share other business people outside no obey any fraud music is not a stain to say your more rap now a beer crime man or other ways I mean can't show it here the music no it opens doors for you to meet a lot of other rich people that you can fraud them and you fraud them. obi wanto ne phone for so be kasa wo so obi ni phone oto ye ne so de be use WhatsApp e de be fraud nipa obi o wan laptop oto ye wanto say o de be hwe video and say African movies oto ne laptop so de be fraud e bie kwan for frama no. And you have to understand that strategy. That is all. Media more mutini. Memen kasa. If ya Schwarzenegger can say medical only thing because medical my boy no I hate about the yekesiye for nothing. And I'm paso so medical, yes, you are doing it. You better shut the fuck up. Don't say nothing to this guy. Because all branding. Now all branding we no be faso dia drop no. I had to say a little when ni boss Zach de buy no or the agidin ama wan for who is Zach to see am Zach de no ho but see am sa katakasa we na ma wa ba gidin nti wuso so mema boy we be gidin yes or you good here but medical if we are talking about good rapper right now Yedima medical yentumi mfa ma strong man is the best rap bars to bars but me nko club and fast strong man enyum enkosa but me to me the medical enyum akosa enu na me hia me nya rapper no ba betie strong man enyum abaka se metina ho isua voice na ma rap no who could do club osisi ani e bo mo ada amanfo nyina besa owo obi a beye we si strong man enyum ben na mo betumi di asase Ghana rap dey bi onko ka mo rap gidigidi no that is fine but we are not looking for these things. We are not looking for bars to bars. Omo pay on fan call Ghana their talent no ko yes ade anyways Makamaju. Yes, this there were this, but remember, medical, Range Rover, medical, car man wife, medical, car man mommy, medical, maybe 2 or 3 houses already. Who or music ni move for what? For rapping or for rapping to feed your family? Into muna say be musical way na mana. Or you see music need to do other things. Sage na your friend what's her name again? Oba beke kake kansen bebre ikwa pimpolo. Or you see gossip, stupidity. Emane or no ikwa pimpolo no abe hiti mo ya African movie. Or no asu na no kan se senke men you see that thing na I wouldn't be where I am today. The medical is business, AMG business. So moment tiasia, then that is your problem. Anyways, my comedy monche between Omumi and all my fans. Why? And for you to wish to be. Upesa we medical, and I say upesa we strong man. Upesa we the best rapper, but who need be Ghana, ye born you club. Ghana, ya tisa we rapper, but ye need the wire. And I say upesa we medical, we rapper. Ghana ya tiwonka. What for sudi 2 point? What for sudi be businesses? What for sudi si daya ma o mami? What for sudi to dan be a bed 3 4 kasa ma 1 kasa. O san tu Range Rover o ka papa demu. O san ni tema boys ni na sa ye nyum eni bibia. Pacho. O pe medical. Choose medical. O pe strong man choose strong man. Na yentie comments ni. Why? My next video I'm about about Kwesi Arthur. How smart are you to the business? Now who how Kwesi Arthur will go in the next 5 years or 10 years with music. If you want next video, no subscribe. Amateur, subscribe it. Why? We mean the video gidi and ye day and beke kaka can wait. bepɛ sɛ mekyerɛ mo na mote aseɛ na mo so mokyerɛ mo adwene menye video medidi obi atem anase wosi so ɔte mase ala sɛ no na mohwehwɛ na mopɛ sɛ obi didi obi atem na ɔyɛ wei na mohu sɛ yes Ghana ni ade a baby ɛnyɛ saa meme deɛ no yɛ to explain to understand archipelago bɛka ne deɛ efia bɛka ne deɛ other thing no that is not what it's about. Subscribe me right I mean sure